up, guys? So we just got on the road probably about 30 minutes ago, heading to Colorado. We're gonna be staring at the freaking trailer for the next 15 hours because we're the chase vehicle. So got supplies, got the GPS tablet right there, music, good to go. So we'll probably do a few time lapses here and there, but you can see it's gonna be a real boring ass drive. There ain't nothing out there. And we are rolling in the Shitbox. The Challenger's in the front, lead vehicle. Got the trailer in the middle. Convoy time, baby. Should be a pretty good ride. This car's fucking annoying already. Drones like crazy. I'm sure you guys can probably hear it. I don't know about the music in the background, but yeah, I forgot to pause it. So, blew a fuse, fixed that. This shit happened like on the way out of town. Nice and disconnected. So we got a little extra drone. Oh, thank you. Got ourselves some old Mickey D's for breakfast. Yeah, I'm sure it'll make it, but sure, it's gonna be one hell of a freaking burden to drive this thing another 1,000 fucking miles. But we'll see y'all back on the road in a little while. And then at the next stop. Hell yeah, Shitbox life. Can't ever have it perfect. Folks, we got 13 hours 55 minutes to go, 922 miles, and we got the old ambulance rolling by. Well, so far it's been a pretty unexciting trip. I'm still staring at the back of the U-Haul trailer right here. Can't see, it's pretty far away. I don't know why everybody's slowing down. Jesus, they got a one whole lane. Now everybody's screaming behind them. About to be another guy coming by. Kinda gotta pee, but yeah, I don't know. We're about at a half a tank. I don't know. This is fucking boring. But we will see you at the next stop. See what happens. fucking Cavalier, that's for sure. Get the smoke, bro. You ain't gonna get it. You ain't got it. Yeah, that's right. And this smart car is like basically totaled. Yeah, you didn't want it. Are we passing the truck too?
No, because he'll end up passing us anyways.
So we got the old Twisted Boost truck. Stop interrupting my video, woman. Got the Twisted Boost truck in front of us. The Challenger's up ahead of that. And it looks like the Impala wants to smoke too. Dude, they're hauling ass, bro. Yeah, you don't want it. Slow it down. Awesome, man. He looked right at me too.